All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're watching this, then you're going to watch this short video about what is lightning, watch the whole thing. Big thing I want to talk about is downloading this. You're going to add it to Notability. I'm not going to go through all of that. But for me, since I'm on my MacBook, I'm just going to do a little bit differently. So I'm going to download and open. Now, when we're going through the annotation process, what I want you to focus on is, hold on. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to, what's going on? I want to be able to draw. Oh, here we go. Here's the markup tool. So what I want you to do is I want you to circle keywords. And circle keywords. Okay. And I want you to highlight or underline. Oh, that's it. There we go. Main ideas. Okay. So those are the two things. You're going to circle keywords or highlight main ideas or underline main ideas on your Notability apps, specifically about things about lightning and plasmas. Lightnings and plasmas. How does lightning work? What is lightning? Okay, that's what you're focused on here. After you finish, you're going to go back to Schoology here. Okay. I'm going to go back to the Monday folder. Then I have a short what is lightning quiz, about 5 questions that you're going to complete, and then you're done for the day.